Today you guys are going to investigate things called polyominoes. Basically what they are, they're made up of squares. So a monomino is just one square, there's only one of those. A domino is two, and again there's only one of those. For a trimino, you have these two, this one, and you can make another different one. I created a tool which I'm going to show you how to do later. But so again, I can make one has three. That's this way, but those are the only two shapes I can make. And again, you can see the way you make the shapes is they have to have an entire side in common. So basically, tetramino has 4 squares making it up, pentamino 5, and a hexamino 6. Now we're going to look at the tetranimos and the pentaminos today. In order to qualify as a shape, when you make one, let's say I make this one as 1, and then I just make this one as a secondary one. Well, this one is not a new one because if I rotate this, then it basically makes the same shape I started with. So this one doesn't count. Likewise, if I take this shape and reflect it and get the original shape, it doesn't count either. So if I take this, make that the axis of reflection and reflect that, you can see I get the original shape. It's easy to see that here, but when you get more complicated shapes, like in the pentamino or the hexamino, if you can rotate them and mirror them in your head, that's great, but if not, you can just select the shape and go ahead and do it using Geometry Sketchpad as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a tool to make the squares. So basically you already know how to do this, but you're going to make a segment, and then we're going to rotate the segment to make the other side. So double click to make a center of rotation, select the segment and the other point, transform, rotate 90 degrees, and then just keep doing that. So here's our new center of rotation, select that point and that line, transform, rotate. Just do that till you have your square, highlight it, and then create a new tool. Okay, that's it. You can get started. There's some instructions also in the PDF.